welcome to a special edition of Munzee Monday with Geojerry's Adventures here at the Covington House. This is the place where my wife and I got married, oh my gosh, 25 years ago or so, but that's for a whole nother story. Why am I here on this Munzee Monday? It's for the monthly Munzee giveaway, and today's challenge is this. See, what the monthly Munzee giveaway is that you're given a challenge, and then you have to complete the challenge to get put into a drawing to see if you win a prize. Today's challenge is this: to find a Munzee that is near a church. And there's a church right over there, and there's a Munzee right over there. So let's go find this Munzee and let's see this church, the Covington House. It's a cool place. Hey, just a side note, inside that chimney somewhere is a geocache. Somewhere in there, it's there. Kind of a cool location for it too. All right, wait, where was, oh, I got distracted. I'm looking for a Munzee and a church. Come on. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. Hang on. Let's see, get a better view. Hold on. Can you see it? I guess I have to walk up over here. Hang on. Let's see. Oh, there we go. There we go. Hang on. In 3, 2, 1. Make sure you subscribe and check it out. And there it was. The church in the Munzee. Mission completed. Don't forget, subscribe, and I'll see ya on our next adventure of Geojerry's Adventures. See ya.